I'm the business proprietor of the Wight Inn. Part of our needs, obviously having rooms, they all have televisions in them, and we also thought that there'd be a need to put a couple of tellies in the bar area for our customers. But we wanted it doing discreetly, not with wires, and done professionally. We looked out for a company that could do that. Somebody else in a similar business recommended L&S Aerials to us, and that's where I first met Lee. And they came along, had a look. We're very positive about what they could do, and aside from looking at the installations, we were always getting problems. We inherited problems in the rooms. They did such a good job of our televisions. They gave us advice, did such a good job of putting the televisions in there, exactly what we wanted, and then came along, made recommendations about changing the aerials and everything. Since then, I don't think we've ever had any single problem. They've also done a bit of domestic work for me as well, which is great. I realised that there were other areas of their business that they could help us with, and a big one is CCTV. Came along, had a look at the scope of the business and suggested how many cameras and what we needed to do. And they came along, looked, and installed a load of cameras which are absolutely fantastic. And also they're very, very knowledgeable, and they've made it so that we can look at the images and have a little look into our pub remotely on our iPads and on our phones. No, they do a brilliant job, and I'm very grateful.